Hello friends, I'm Prajan and welcome to my YouTube channel MISSIONTOP Computer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Free Fire game in your PC. Okay, now I'm going to start video and you need to follow my step for a complete process. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to gameloop.me. For install GameLoop application, click on download now and wait for 10 seconds. Now it's downloading. After the download process, it's need to open. And now click on install. Now uncheck add-ins and click on start. Now downloading Free Fire inside GameLoop application. So we need to wait a little bit longer for complete download process. So now I'm going to skip some video. After the downloading process, you can choose guest login or Facebook account login. So now I'm going to log in with my Facebook account. After complete the sign-in process, now click on tab for play the game. Now complete the downloading and installing and sign-in process for Free Fire game. Now I'm going to start a match right now. Okay, now completely running Free Fire in my PC. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment and share. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.